I've just got this sort of a Bedini mixed with fidget spinner. Just been working with my kid, and just wanted to show you. It's very easy to build. It's not hard. And as you can see, the fidget spinner is held by two bolts, hold them in the middle, and we've got about 6 neodymium magnet. This side and that side. So basically these the two coil. That two coil, you can see. This two coil pushing the magnet away. So there's repulsion. And being switched on and off by a little reed switch. That's a small little reed switch, if you could see. That it gives you the position of the magnet. And then switching on and off these transistor. This transistor is very good. It can handle up to 450-500 volts. So it's all the surge and everything happens with it. It's not going to blow up. Because I blow up a lot of transistors. This one is just the best. It's not too expensive either. So basically, what we're doing, we're switching the coil when we want it, and it's pushing the fidget spinner away from it, and that's how it works. So let me just spin it a little bit. You have a look. See that? Simple as that. We've got a couple of 3.5 volt battery, some big ones, a total of 7 volts, something like that, and also we've got the diode for capturing the back EMF or any voltage coming out of it, and we can actually measure the voltage coming out of these only 2 coils. So every time the transistors turns off, the voltage released from these 2 coils, this one and that one, these 2 coils released coming out of it, comes out of these diode releasing it, so that one. And because the voltage coming out of it is not a normal electricity, you cannot capture it with a multimeter. So you got to convert that electricity, which they call it cold electricity, to the normal electricity, which you can use the capacitor. These capacitors, and it tells you the voltage coming out of it. So I'm going to measure it, and you can see the voltage coming out of it. At the moment it's just millivolts, right? I'm going to measure it. I'll turn it on once, have a look, and then I'll measure the voltage there. This is the switch, turning it on. And one more thing, I want to let you know that the position of this core, the bolt in the middle, a little bit angled, so to make this in one direction is very fast, the other direction is not. So anti-clockwise, like this one, not as fast. You can actually hear it. Turning it off. Now these 2 angled forward, a little bit angled that way, that give the very high speed and more power and clockwise direction. You can see the noise still building up a lot of speed. Still building up the speed. I'm going to measure the voltage. Sorry about that, I've got that. So I'm going to put it negative. And that. I'm charging this capacitor. I'm going to measure it. Alright, 500 518 volts, this capacitor charges. So the voltage coming out of this two coil is 517, 518 volts. That's quite interesting, isn't it? And you can actually discharge them. Like, that's a discharge. I'll do one more time. Checking the voltage. $515.16 volts. I'm going to disconnect it and I'm going to short this. Very simple to do, it's not hard. So just reduce the noise. So basically I glued this neodymium magnet. I glue it in there, both sides. They're attracting each other so it doesn't come up, and I glue it as well so that makes it a lot stronger. So basically that side is north and that side is south, and in the middle, north and south again, they're actually attracting each other so they don't want to fly away. And I'll put glue as well. So what you have to do, make sure this coil pushing south as well and this coil pushing north as well. So push these two magnets away, and that little reed switch would actually positioning the magnet. Every time the magnet reaches to the right place, you're actually powering these two, switching these two coils, and it's pushing it away. And then the next one, and then the next one, and then builds up speed. So that's how it works. So basically, that's how it is. I'm just giving a different angle. I'm turning it on again, and now for the last time, lifting it up. It's just a little project for my kid for school, and it's not hard. It's pretty simple. All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. Cheers. It's going to be about 8 minutes. Bye.